Review Hub.
Brand name, ZhdCookey. Model number, G23. Smart home platform, other, Tuya. Feature 1, waterproof Tuya smart lock. Power supply, dry battery. Fit door thickness, 20 to 65 millimeters. Suitable door type, steel door, wooden door, stainless Stell door, other. Special features, support gateway. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Ways to unlock, app, mechanical keys, card, Wi-Fi, password, fingerprint. Material, zinc alloy. Handle direction, direction reversible. Available color, Black+Grey. Panel sizes, 168 *34 *60 Unlock modes, app/fingerprint/password/IC card/key. Power supply 1, for PCSAA batteries. Power supply 2, DC 12V adapter for power supply, not include. Multi-languages voice, support. Waterproof, IP65 outside. Remote control, option. Feature 10, waterproof no app smart lock.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.